Is it just me, or does it feel like every second video on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube is faceless and AI generated, and those creators are making thousands of dollars per month, which is just not fair. At least that's how it seems. The truth is, whether you're a content creator or a business owner, video content can either skyrocket your success or leave you stuck in content limbo. Right now, faceless content is the fastest, easiest way to join the content gold rush, but here's the problem. Doing it manually takes ages. Sure, you can use AI tools, but most are either crazy expensive, super complicated, or just too basic, leaving you with bland, boring, forgettable videos. At least that's what I thought until I came across this secret tool that is stupidly easy to use while also giving you the creative freedom to edit, change, and do as you wish with the final product to your heart's content. Now, imagine if you could take PowerPoint presentations and turn them into a narrated faceless video in minutes, ready to be uploaded on YouTube, IG, TikTok, etc. And the tool I'm talking about is called Pictory.ai, and it turns your boring old PowerPoint slides into engaging, high-quality videos in minutes. So you just upload your PowerPoint and let AI do the heavy lifting. Now, I've personally been using Pictory.ai for years, and I can vouch for its quality output. I mean, Pictory is partnered with Storyblocks, one of the best quality B-roll companies out there, and they're also partnered with 11 Labs, which I've spoken about on this channel many times before, for which I doubt there's any better text to video tools out there. But I was a bit skeptical about this new feature on Pictory.ai, so I trialed it out. More on that later, but for now, if you're new to Pictory, I've left a link in the description so the first 10 people to try it out can try it out completely free. Now, once you sign up, the first thing you'll see is this homepage with all the features where you can go crazy as a faceless video creator. You can do a bunch of stuff with it. You can do text to video, URL to video. You can generate an AI video from an idea. You can turn images into video. You can record your own videos and use it as a video editor. More importantly, in the context of today's video, you can turn your old boring PowerPoint presentations or new presentations you've just created into a faceless AI generated video. So let me show you exactly how this works. So the first thing you do after you sign up, using my link in the description, you upload your PowerPoint file. Pictory converts your slides into dynamic video, and from there you still have the choice to make changes to that first draft. And most likely a lot of the time you might look at it and it might not necessarily be what you wanted, so you can go absolutely crazy. You can change the voice narration, the b-roll, the music in the background, the text, duration, all kinds of different parameters. Once you've chosen your visuals and voiceovers, if you've decided to change what is created for you, made all your tweaks, you just export your finished video ready to post on the platform you are aiming for. In my case, this was the final result that came out.
Welcome to Cryptocurrency 101, a simple guide for beginners. I'm Victor, a 15-year cryptocurrency expert, and I'm excited to share my knowledge with you. I'm passionate about building great products that make people's lives easier. With over 10 years of experience, I've worked with small startups and the world's biggest brands.
Now, this was only for testing purposes and just for the experiment. I didn't spend too much time on this. Let me know if you'd like me to do a deeper dive in a future video. Now, again, I've linked the free trial to Pictory in the description so you can try this out for yourself, and just hit that like button if you're ready to dominate the faceless content game, and subscribe for more tools to boost your content game and take you to the next level.